Here's something that just might change the way you think, literally. Tapping into the full power of your mind, increasing your IQ by 10 or even 20 points, and discovering a sharper, more focused version of yourself that's able to tap your intuition and unleash your hidden intuitive and creative powers. Now, I know it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but thanks to the brain's amazing neuroplasticity, it's all within reach for all of us. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal cutting-edge strategies for boosting intelligence and enhancing your memory. Plus, share with you an advanced tool called the Zygon Brain Supercharger. It's designed to take mental enhancement to a whole new level. If you're ready to unlock your brain's hidden potential, let's begin. First, let me start by getting you into the foundation of all mental growth, something called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to adapt, recognize, and create new neural connections throughout your life. While IQ was once thought to be fixed, we now know that with the right training, diet, and lifestyle, anyone can improve their cognitive abilities, sometimes significantly. Think of this idea of neuroplasticity as your brain's personal trainer. Just as muscles grow stronger through exercise, your brain can rewire itself, develop new neural pathways, and even grow new neurons, a process science calls neurogenesis. This means that by giving your brain the right fuel, enough stimulation and rest, you can transform how you think, remember things better, and solve complex problems by tapping your intuition. Let's dive into some methods for boosting IQ and overall cognitive performance, and then let me introduce you to some of the research work I've been doing over the last 40 years in creating mind tools that can do just that. First is mental stimulation and learning. The primary way to boost your IQ is through consistent mental stimulation. Exercise for your brain. Every time you push it to learn something new, you're strengthening and building neural connections. Consider learning a new skill. Pick up a musical instrument, a new language, or any challenging hobby, and your brain has to stretch a bit, and you're creating new neural pathways. Activities that require focus, practice, and patience help your brain grow stronger and develop greater problem-solving abilities. Perhaps you like solving puzzles or playing strategy games. Games like chess, Sudoku, and puzzles give your brain a little bit of a workout. These activities engage both sides of your brain, the left and right hemispheres, which increases the connections between the logical left and their creative right side capacities. Meditation and mindfulness practice. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for IQ enhancement because it increases focus, awareness, and emotional resilience, which are all key components of intelligence. Mindfulness meditation, which I'm sure you've heard of, teaches you to be fully present, which is essential for improving attention and emotional regulation. Studies have shown that meditation increases gray matter in the brain, particularly in areas linked to learning, memory, and emotional regulation. It also forces your focus inward and stimulates whole brain synchrony. There are lots of tools on the Zygon Empowerment app which will meditate your brain for you by altering brain waves, and all you have to do is just plug in your headphones. Deeper breathing. Oxygen fuels brain function, and deep breathing is a powerful way to get more of it. So practice deep, slow breaths several times a day to improve focus, reduce your stress, and boost cognitive functioning. Also, physical exercise. Exercise is one of the best ways to promote neurogenesis and improve overall brain health. Exercise releases chemicals like BDNF, which is brain-derived neurotropic factor. This helps build and maintain neurons. Exercise like aerobics, running, swimming, and cycling, they get your blood flowing to the brain, supporting memory and mental clarity. Even just 20 or 30 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. And strength training. Lifting weights can increase focus and endurance while also supporting mental health. A stronger body helps support a stronger mind. The right nutrition and brain fuel makes a difference. What you eat fuels your brain. For optimal brain performance, focus on foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other brain-boosting nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, and these fatty acids are essential for memory and brain performance. Antioxidants, berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, you've all heard, fight oxidative stress, which can damage neurons and slow cognitive function. And of course, hydration. Dehydration impairs attention and memory, so drink lots of water throughout your day and keep your brain functioning at its peak. Now let's talk about how to boost your memory. IQ isn't only about reasoning and problem solving. Memory plays a big part. Let's talk about a few methods to improve your memory. Visualization and association. When trying to remember information, create a vivid mental picture or connect it to something you already know. For instance, if you're learning a list of words, link each word to a vivid image. Visualization taps into the brain's natural ability to recall images, making memory stronger and faster. We talk a lot about this in the Zygon Empowerment app. The chunking method. Instead of trying to remember long strings of information, you break them down into chunks. This is commonly used for remembering phone numbers, but it can also be applied to any kind of information. When you chunk information, you reduce cognitive load and improve recall. The Photographic Mind program teaches you how to install this skill with relative ease. Repetition is also a key to long-term memory. Reviewing information periodically, especially spaced out over days or weeks, can cement new knowledge. This technique, called spaced repetition, has been shown to significantly improve recall. And of course, sleep is so important to recharge your brain. At night when you're sleeping, your brain consolidates information from the day, organizes it, and stores it as memories. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night to give your brain the downtime it needs to strengthen what you've learned. Without sufficient sleep, it's much harder to retain information or make connections between ideas. And finally, let me introduce you to the Zygon Brain Supercharger, which is an advanced tool that can help you bring your intuition and cognitive abilities to the next level. The Zygon Brain Supercharger is a powerful technology that uses brainwave entrainment to enhance your brain's performance. It's designed to guide your brain into a relaxed yet focused state, stimulating whole brain synchrony and optimizing your mental clarity, intuition, and creativity. The Brain Supercharger entrains the brain to produce alpha and theta waves. These are brainwave states associated with deep relaxation and yet heightened awareness. By balancing the hemispheres, this tool fosters whole brain integration, which supports clearer thinking, enhanced memory, and improved problem solving. Think of it as a reset button for your brain, helping you to achieve optimal performance in as little as 15 minutes. Now, this isn't a one-time thing. You have to do this as a regular part of your routine, plugging in for 4 days a week, and then over a month, I guarantee you will experience a difference. So the key to all of this brain boosting simply boils down to this. Take care of your brain. Fuel it well, give it challenges, and learn how to use tools like meditation and the Brain Supercharger. By harnessing neuroplasticity, you're not just aiming to improve, you're actually building a sharper, more capable mind every day. So remember this, intelligence isn't set in stone. It's more like a muscle, ready to grow with the right techniques. As you go forward, let this be your guide. Embrace it and step into the incredible potential of your mind.